All right, if you're into construction like I was as a kid, as an adult, I actually worked in the construction field for 20 years, and I was honored enough to drive one of these in real life, and to have one 24/7 by your hand is perfect. This is a great gift. Makes a great gift for any adult or kid. If you guys see, well detailed inside the human in here, and not only that, look at the engine compartment too. And this is crazy. And the best thing is that these are real rubber. If you guys can see that. So these are replaceable too, but we're not going to replace them today. Now, they do give you a charging battery in here, which they give you a USB and a Phillips to remove it. Now, does require two batteries, right? Two AA batteries. There's a couple of things you should know under control. This is to the digging. If you guys can see, turn left and right and rotate the actual system itself forward and back. And then a function key. Function key will automatically do its own cycle. And then, of course, it has a sound, right? Some little beeping sound here and there, but look at this. I'm just gonna do the rotation. If you guys can see that, I just wanted to see the actual LED light on it, and you could go a 360 on it. And then if you want to dig where it says dig, all right, you just got to go down to the dig, and that's it. You don't have to do anything. Let this whole system drive itself. So look at the digging. Look at the digging. So it could excavate automatically. And then, of course, you could rotate and look at it, dig. This is awesome. You go back and forward and so forth. Turn it, go forward, go back. This is great if you're going to have a kid that's coming up with a birthday or maybe the holidays. And of course, you don't have to worry about battery charging it, because all you got to do is charge this battery in here, and this one lasts you for a long time. Now, if you guys can see, the controllers actually made to be mimicking a construction site. Very rugged, and they even have the little panels here. If you guys can see, beautiful design. 2.4 hertz, which is the frequency that you're going to require, and so you could go long distance on it. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.